We're back with our old friend. Seriously, I think I've used this exact slow cooker on this channel for a decade now. Today, we're making another protein-packed meal prep in it. Easy slow cooker chicken and gravy. So let's jump right into it. P.S. As you've probably noticed, I've been doing more of these slow cooker meal preps lately. So if you like them and think I should keep doing them, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't have a slow cooker, it's in my opinion, one of the best purchases you can make for your kitchen and diet. Simple to use, almost failure proof, and cheap. I'll link the newer model to mine below. Start this one by adding into your slow cooker 3 pounds of cut up fat trimmed chicken breast, 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 packets of gravy mix, and 1 can of cream of chicken. This is your base. Anything you add in after this is completely up to you. I like to add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ranch seasoning mix. Quick tip here, to lower the sodium in the recipe, is to look for lower sodium alternatives for your chicken broth, gravy mix, and cream of chicken. They should be pretty easy to find. Give those ingredients a quick mix until everything is incorporated. If you want a carb source in this, I also like to add in 1.5 pounds of potatoes. You can use whatever kind you like. I usually go with these little potatoes. You don't want a carb source, skip this part and top it with some chives. Last, put your cover on, let it cook on low heat for 6 to 8 hours, or high for around 4. Around 10 to 15 minutes before it's done, I like to shred my chicken. It should shred super easy like this, and at the end, it should look like this. I usually make 6 servings with this one. With that said, the winner of our last guesstimating from the Protein Pumpkin Brownies is bang. You win a shaker or a shirt. By the way, those brownies are delicious if you haven't tried them yet. Moving on to this week's testing your guesstimating. What do you all think this weighs in grams? The entire thing. Let me know in the comments below. 1 guess per person. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more meal prep ideas. Like this video to help the algorithm. Check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs, including both US and metric conversions for every recipe. And of course, stay healthy.